Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Blanca for those of you who do not know me, and I do create anti-MLM and lifestyle content. So if you're interested in any of those two topics, then definitely hit the red subscribe button. Today I bring you top MLM fails number 5. First off, I would like to thank everybody that has been sharing with me via Google Drive any videos, Zoom calls, videos, reels, you name it. Thank you guys so much. It's been making my work a lot easier, and I could definitely keep track of like what you guys want me to cover, what are you guys interested in. Down in the description bar you will also find things that I've mentioned in the video, articles, things that I think will be interesting for you, resources, as well as anything that you guys see that I am wearing, whether it's the shirt, makeup, you name it, will be a link down below as well. Dossier Perfume is a brand of affordable luxury fragrances that are inspired by high-end designer scents but sold at a more accessible price point. The company was founded in 2018 with the aim of making high-quality fragrances that are affordable for everyone, and they offer a range of scents for both men and women. Dossier fragrances are created using high-quality ingredients and are designed to be long-lasting and intense. The brand offers a variety of scents, including floral, woody, spicy, and fresh fragrances, and each scent is formulated to be unique and distinctive. One unique aspect of Dossier Perfume is that they offer a scent finder quiz on their website, which helps customers find the perfect fragrance for their personal style and preferences. They were kind enough to send me 2 of their fragrances. I got the honeysuckle and amber vanilla. Currently, the amber vanilla is my go-to scent, and it is inspired by the YSL Black Opium, and honeysuckle is inspired by Gucci's Bloom perfume. Overall, Dossier's Perfumes offers an affordable way to experience high-end fragrances without breaking the bank. Today's top MLM fail number 5 is brought to you by Crypto Babes, because what would we be doing without them? I mean, they are teaching us how to be financially literate, how to invest, what to trade, etc. And this is a nice segue into the first video that we're going to be reacting to. It is none other than the Lebanese queen, the passionate one from WFAB.
Favorite MLM hater. Tag your favorite hater. Tag a stupid hater that you know. If you know any stupid people, tag them. Share.
Well, that's one way to start off a video or a story and convince people to essentially be on your team. Yeah, call them stupid.
People come into like network marketing and they're like, oh, I'm so scared of what people are gonna say about me. I'm so scared of like people judging me. Oh my god, what are people gonna say about me? Oh, they're gonna talk about me. Good. That's a good thing. You want haters. You want the haters. Haters are a good thing. Haters are a good thing. Haters will make you rich. No successful person, no highly successful person got to their level of success without any hate.
Just keep in mind she likes to repeat herself a lot. It's as if she's trying to convince herself that she needs to have these haters in order to be perceived as successful. Which, hate to break it to you, you're not successful. You're not successful. If anything, you have that success that you do within WFAB because of your downline, because of the people that you're recruiting. You're not having it because of your hard work and your ethics. Haters are a good thing, and haters will make you rich. On what planet? Not one successful person talks about their haters like MLMers do. I don't see Bill Gates talking about how, Steve Jobs used to hate him or vice versa. I don't see Target talking about how Walmart hates them or how Walmart is their competitor. They're always talking about how they have all of these haters, and they always focus on the fact that they have them. Why is that? Why not focus on the trading that you're doing or the investments that you're supposedly doing every single day? If you are a successful business person or a successful business owner, you're focusing on other things such as sales, what products are going to be launching next, where you're going to be going, what are your next goals, etc. You're not necessarily focusing so much on haters. And I'm not saying that business owners don't focus on criticism. Criticism, valid criticism, is completely different from what these girls are talking about, which is haters, and the haters usually meaning somebody like me that really calls them out on their bullshit. It makes it really harder for them to recruit people. But yes, haters are going to make you rich, Matilda.
No highly successful person got to their level of success without hate. You need the haters. Haters are a good thing. Haters will bring out all the lovers. If you got some haters, the lovers are gonna come out to play too. You want them both.
Haters are gonna bring out the lovers. I don't think that's how that works, babe.
You want the haters. I literally sometimes come on to just provoke people. Like some days I come up with like certain things. I don't know. I go for my walks. I get my love energy in. And then I come like, ooh, that's a good thing to talk about. I don't know. The ideas just start flowing. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna provoke someone today. Someone's about to get provoked. Like, I am coming in for an attack. I'm literally coming on to attack. Tag your favorite MLM hater, okay? Tag your favorite MLM hater, put it on MLM hate tube, and make sure you tag me.
What are you gonna do, Matilda? Let me guess, you're gonna block people. So what you're telling me is that you purposely put out dumb shit on the internet so that you could provoke people, but then get mad when people like me or other commentary channels or anti-MLMers come and debunk you. On what planet does that make sense? She's begging for people to tag anti-MLMers or to tag haters. But when you do have them tagged into your comments, you end up blocking them, or you end up ignoring anything that we have to say, or just calling us miserable and bitter and pathetic. You really don't want to have a conversation or a genuine conversation with anybody that is presenting an opposing opinion or point of view in regards to what you're doing with just scamming people. You create your own echo chamber. So really, all that huffing and puffing that you're doing in that video of yours is all bark and no bite.
I'm genuinely surprised. Like, I'm genuinely surprised at the amount of little hate I get. I don't get hate. I barely get any hate, and I'm surprised. Don't you guys think that I should, like, I'm actually asking you guys, don't you guys think that I should have a lot of haters? Don't you think that I should have more haters? Don't you think that I should have a lot of haters? I'm starting to get a little bit of hate on TikTok, and people are like commenting.
You're really out here begging for more hate? Who does that? No normal person begs for hate, especially on TikTok. Like, you do not want the smoke from TikTok.
Why are you telling me not to be miserable? I'm like, okay, be miserable. Like, I don't give a f. You want to be miserable, be fucking miserable. Does it like I care? Does it look like I care? I am more than okay with you wanting to be miserable. You want to be miserable, be miserable. That's fine. Enjoy your misery and share it with all your miserable friends. That is more than okay. You do that. I don't know where that came from. Honestly, every time I get ready, every time I like put on, you know, we get dressed up, I'm thinking about this. I'm like, one hate comment? That's it?
Honestly, what I just got from that is that she seeks validation through social media, through other people, in order to feel good about herself. The fact that she wants to get more hate comments, like, you have a few cable stews, girlfriend, because that's not normal. And the people that I showcase here on my channel as examples, I don't hate them. Do I find them annoying and ridiculous and the things that they do awful? Yeah. Do I hate them? No.
You serious? Just one comment? Meanwhile, I ignore all the other comments. I'm looking for the hate comment. I'm like, where is it? Where's the hate comment? One hate comment. That's it. Just one. I was expecting like 20 when I woke up today. Just one hate comment. Like, I came out to attack and I got one hate comment. That's it. So rude. Like, that, honestly.
Let me tell you one thing. Optics are everything. And if that's how you're acting on social media, people have gotten dropped from brand deals for far less than this. And you're acting like this. Jasmine and this other girl, I think her name is Crystal or something like that, did the exact same video talking about how we're in a recession, but the government doesn't want to tell you. And not just them two. Christy Rivera did the same thing when she started her business with iGenius. Oh, we're in a recession, and gave the definition of a recession and how the government doesn't want to tell you that we are in one. Economists, experts have actually been talking about a potential recession for months now. And we're actually overdue for one. Recessions are actually a good thing. If you guys don't know what a recession is, for those of you who do not know what a recession is, it is defined as a significant decline in economic activity that is spread across the economy and that lasts more than a few months. We've had multiple recessions. We had one in the 80s, we've had one in the 90s, the early 2000s, obviously 2008.
People are literally panicking right now because inflation is through the roof. It's the highest it's been since 1981, and we just currently entered a recession. But guess what? That's what they want you to feel. They want you to panic. They want you to tuck your tail and hide and not do anything. I am here to tell you that it's time to prepare for this inflation. Now is the time to make the most money that you've ever made in your life. You understand that inflation is here. You understand that fiat currency is no longer valuable. Your 2% pay raise is just not gonna cut it, you guys. You need a plan of action, a plan to benefit off of this inflation, okay? If you thought that money was made in the last 5 to 10 years, you have absolutely no idea the type of new money, that's what we're calling it, new money that's gonna come out of this in the next 10 to 20, 30 years, as long as you are on the right run.
You don't know what kind of money you can make in the next 20, 10, 30 years, whatever she said, as long as you're in the right run. You know what that translates to? That translates to as long as you join my team, as long as you're in my downline and I make money off of your back and your hard work, as long as I keep recruiting people and you come into my team, that's how I'm gonna be making a lot of money. There is so much fear mongering within this video, and the next one is even worse.
On my story, because I really want to have this talk, and this is gonna be kind of serious because it is a serious topic and literally no one is talking about this, and this is really important for you to be aware of this and for you to prepare to what it is about to happen. Okay, I don't know if you heard about the recession, like the recession is coming. But the recession actually just started on July 1st. So let's talk about this.
Once again, she's starting off with the fear mongering that, oh my God, the recession is impending, but the recession is actually here. They don't want you to know.
Let's talk about like the most obvious thing, which it is the prices increasing. Like every time you go shopping, like everything is getting so much expensive now. Like
prices have been crazy, I will give you that. The inflation, like here's the thing, they say a lot of half truths and then just cover it in fucking lies. So yes, inflation is at an all-time high. Credit card rates are going higher. The APR rates, I should say, are going higher. People have already noticed that prices are high. Products are costing a lot more money than they were a year ago, and that gas is just ridiculous. So this whole people not knowing that we're in a recession or that we're going into one is a bunch of lies.
Literally everything. When you go and put gas in your car, like the prices are like kind of crazy. And you might be wondering, why are gas prices getting so expensive? And the reason why that is happening is because we are experiencing high levels of inflation, which is causing to everything to increase in price, and we have less money to spend, right? The money that you have right now in the bank, it's losing its value. And because of that inflation, recession is coming. Recession started on July 1st, but the government doesn't want to know that. They're actually gonna announce that until next year. The reason I want to talk about this is because I really want you to be prepared and aware again, okay? So listen to this. So recession started, and this can go like really good for you, or this can go like really bad for you, because when a recession happens, we see a lot of people lose their jobs, we see a lot of people like lose their homes, and we basically see the poor getting poorer and the rich getting richer. And why is this happening? Because people prepare themselves for this kind of situations.
There are many factors as to why gas prices are high. Number one, the reason why gas was so low a year ago, 2 years ago, was because nobody was driving. Okay, people were stuck at home. Hence, the demand was low, but the supply was high. There was a lot of it to go around. Thus, that's why gas was like $1.89, $1.70, $1.90, whatever it was. And there are plenty of more reasons as to why gas is so expensive nowadays and why, you know, things are just crazy. Things are more expensive. Therefore, when basic things such as toilet paper, milk, eggs, things like that get expensive, people are not going to have extra money to go out to the club, to go to bars, to maybe get a purse, go on a trip or what have you, because they're going to be paying a lot more for just the day-to-day things. Therefore, I don't know why she thinks people are going to be investing in the elite package of $1,500 plus $175 a month in order to have access to what iGenius is offering.
And I want you to be part of those people. I really want you to take this opportunity, because this is a massive opportunity for you to actually build wealth if you actually prepare yourself. So listen to this. If you think that you're gonna get rich by saving your money right now is losing its value in the bank. Okay, you cannot save your money all the way to wealth. What do you need to start doing right now? And this is the most important: investing. You're gonna start hearing a lot of wealthy people talk about this, and this is literally how the rich get richer while the poor get poorer. I told you this before. So how are you gonna be able to invest? First of all, you need to have capital. Yes, I actually do get this type of questions. Do you need money to invest? Of course you need money to invest. What are you gonna invest with? Air? So yeah, you need money to invest. How are you gonna get money? How are you gonna get capital? Well, if you are an adult, then I probably am guessing that you have a job at least. Okay, so that way you have at least one source of income.
And that, my friends, is another example of cognitive dissonance. She's talking about you need capital, which is true. If you're going to invest, you need to have the capital, the means, the money in order to do so. But then she's asking people who are going through a financial hardship to do that. You think that people that are going through a tough time right now are gonna be thinking, yeah, I'm gonna invest $1,500 and pay $175 a month so that I can become rich and, you know, have generational wealth? No, they're gonna be thinking about, like, I gotta pay my rent, I gotta pay my car, I gotta pay for food, I gotta live. Investing for those types of people is not a priority for them. It just speaks to the amount of privilege she also has.
Maybe with a business, okay, maybe a business is giving you income. Once you have money, then what you need to do is start making more money with your money by investing it. Okay, and the whole point is for you to stack and stack as much as possible for you to have like a big capital by the end of the recession. By the way, this is the moment when you stop overspending. Stop spending on stupid things, okay? So you can have more money to invest and you can make more money with your money.
You know what it means when they say don't overspend your money or stop overspending your money on unnecessary or stupid things? It essentially means don't spend your money on things that you would find pleasure in, like going to Starbucks, getting that shirt, maybe buying those concert tickets, you know, or just, you know, getting groceries. I don't know. Things like that. It means stop spending money there and join my team and join my MLM so that I can make money off of you. That's what that is. And that feeling of entitlement, I don't know where they get it. Like, they feel entitled to your money and to tell you how to spend your money. If I want to get a Starbucks drink, I'm gonna get that Starbucks drink.
Again, stack. At the end of the recession, you're gonna see huge, massive opportunities that can help you build wealth. And this is literally when multi-millionaires are born. So be prepared for this. Have money. Be smart with your money, I beg you. Be smart with your money. And it's on you. Like, it's your decision. You already know what is about to happen. So you know what to do now. Okay? I just want to take it out of my system.
The fact that she said, be smart with your money. Be smart with your money. And I'm just telling you, I'm just putting this out there so that you're smart with it. No, you're not telling people to be smart with their money. You're lying to them and you're fear-mongering so that they could join your team. You're not somebody that is being smart with their money is not going to invest it in an MLM company, especially after they read the income disclosure statements of each company, after they read, you know, the articles from the FTC and the AARP where they give you statistics and information that back up what we're saying, that 99% of the people that invest in MLM companies do not make money. In fact, they lose money. And with that, we have reached the end of the video. If you have any comments or questions, definitely leave it down below. If you have anything that you would like to share with me, I will leave the email that you could share it to via Google Drive. I also have a highlight on my Instagram account where I have instructions on how you can share any reels or TikToks or what have you that you want to share with me via Google Drive. Definitely follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I'm mostly active on both those platforms. And that is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.